Hello, hi there. I'm Harriet. I work here at Midsumma. I'm the Pathways Program Manager. I'd like to invite Sam to introduce himself. Hello, my name's Sam. This is my sign name. And I have previously been a participant in Midsumma Pathways, and today I'd like to tell you a little bit about the program. Midsumma Pathways is a 9-month mentorship and workshop program for LGBTQIA+ artists with disability. Midsumma Pathways provides a queer context for LGBTQIA+ emerging artists with disability to develop their artistic practices. Up to 12 emerging artists are accepted into the program each year. Midsumma Pathways provides an amazing opportunity for artists to experience networking and career development workshops. LGBTIQA+ identifying emerging artists with disability working in any artistic discipline can apply. That includes theatre, visual arts, drag. It's a long list. That's right. Applications are open now. You can check out our website, www.midsumma.or.gau/pathways. You can fill in the online application form, or you can submit your application to me in Auslan via video. My email address is harriet@midsumma.or.gau. Applications close on the 8th of July 2022. Such an exciting opportunity. We encourage you all to apply now. Bye.